Hi, this is Michael with California Electrical Training, and today I want to walk you through our Lutron Caseta lab board that we'll be utilizing labs in. But before we start, I want to show you something unique about lab station number 1. It has 2 additional switches that are already installed. These are for instructors only. One switch is for the area lights, and the other switch is our main shutoff for all of the lab boards. So those aren't for the students to utilize. So if you're working at this station, just leave those alone. So some of the key things about this lab board I'm going to go through is, first of all, we're going to be ensure that we're reading the instructions and going through the instructions throughout the lab process. You're going to need these to understand how to do the labs. So we have an in-wall dimmer. It's not really a dimmer, but it's a control station. Actually, this one is a dimmer. This is an actual in-wall dimmer. It also works wirelessly with the Caseta Pico. This is the Pico Switch that we're going to be utilizing, and we're going to basically bind these together. We're going to do some settings on here, and we're going to just place this little Pico on the J-box right here during our programming and working on the lab board. For this exercise, we will be using line voltage lighting. This Caseta system is typically used in a residential environment, so we don't see a lot of 0 to 10. That's why this system is an excellent system for residential. I know a lot of people that have it installed in their homes. So key things to remember is we do not turn on power until we've been approved by the instructor or been allowed to turn on power. And once we turn on our power, initially the light will come on automatically. We're going to turn it off with the in-wall dimmer, and then we're going to turn it back on. We're going to verify that the lower button works. There's a little lower button, and then there's a raise button. Now when we initially power up, our Pico switch, which is down over here, is not going to work. It's not going to control. You see I'm trying to turn it off. These two haven't been bound together, so there's going to be some programming and some other exercises that we're going to do. And something unique about the Pico is got a little center button here, and that is a favorite setting. The default is 50% from the factory programming, so when you press that button, the lights will automatically lower to 50% once it's programmed. So key things to remember is do not turn on power unless instructed to by the instructor, and wear your safety glasses. Thank you.